Welcome to the shop. I'll be making a flower vase in 304 stainless. I'm starting off with a round insert and then drilling with a 1/4-inch drill. On the top right is a photo of a brass etched plate that was made for me by a good friend and a subscriber. It looks much nicer in real life than in the photo. Since I'm drilling quite deeply, I'm actually withdrawing the entire tailstock and then pushing it forwards until it bumps into the carriage. Certainly speeds the whole process up instead of having to withdraw the drill a little bit at a time. And now we're switching over to a 15-30-second drill. This is a junky old Harbor Freight tap. It's cheap, but it seems to be working. The chuck that's holding it is also not a great quality chuck, but it does allow the tap to spin and keeps things from getting all jammed up. Time to clean up the base a little bit. The triangle insert is working quite well. I will try the round insert again later. Okay, trying the round insert again. It does leave a nice smooth finish. And I'm managing a pretty decent depth of cut. Back to the triangle insert. Getting a bit close to the chuck, but as I say, clearance is clearance. Cleaning up a little bit for parting. I initially started with a carbide insert, but I got a little ways in and it really wasn't cutting very cleanly, so I'm going to use a high-speed steel blade. The jaw protectors were just a bit too clunky and not really giving a good concentric result. I made these videos quite a while ago and I'm just getting around to actually putting them together for publishing. I would definitely do things differently, especially in terms of the chuck protectors. I've made some much thinner ones out of copper that work well. Next we'll complete our drilling out process. Alright, the bulk of the vase is done. The heights and diameters are in the golden ratio. And you can also see the threaded base of the vase. And now we'll go ahead and clean up the bronze. The end of this bar is rough cut, so it's a bit noisy cleaning it up. It does look beautiful when you're first turning it, and afterwards it gets its own patina and looks beautiful in a different way.
That is 50 thou depth of cut, 100 thou on the radius, on the diameter rather, and 200 RPM.
And unlike the stainless, it is forming chips beautifully. I'm using a cheap Harbor Freight die holder, but the homemade gadget is helping to keep it stable and parallel to the face. Polishing never hurts. Once again, I've decided to go with the high-speed steel blade. It has enough reach and it's parting beautifully. Cleaning up the base. And I'm dishing out the central part, leaving a small rim on the periphery. And polishing out the top surface of the base. And here's the tower part with its threaded hole and screwing onto the base. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, do please leave some comments or questions, and be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.